Benefits of grapeseed oil for skin. Benefits: effective hydrator for every skin type. It offers natural protection from harsh environmental elements. It can help reduce inflammation. It banishes blemishes. It can help color correct uneven skin tones. It has wound healing properties. It keeps skin youthful. Cacia skincare oil, harmonizing rapeseed review. Description: non-GMO Project Verified. Pure botanical ingredients. Not tested on animals. No synthetic ingredients. Petroleum-free. Suggested use: use as desired for massage or skin care. Combine 1 to 2 drops of Cacia essential oils per teaspoon of skincare oil for added benefits. Other ingredients: Vitis vinifera, grape, seed oil, tocopherol, vitamin E. This product is the oil of grape seeds. Therefore, cloudiness may occur or particles may appear in the oil. Warnings: store tightly closed in a cool, dry place. Caution: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Keep out of reach of children. Custom reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.